Howtomarkcards.com. I'm going to show you how to save some money. Now, you've been waiting for these cards all night. You finally got aces. You're playing against this guy and this guy. Let's say it's at the end of the night, everybody else left. Well, you want to make some money, so you bet. He calls. Flop comes. Now, Queen 9-8. I mean, could he have magically hit 10-jack with a straight? Could he have magically hit something? Like, he had pocket queens, and now he has, trips. You don't know. So, you have pocket aces. You have also a flush draw. Well, here comes the turn. You kind of either you limp in or you bet high. Who knows what your style is. Doesn't matter because you're going to lose this hand. So you have a 6. Now, what if they have 7-10? That makes somebody has a straight. What happens if someone has 10-jack? Someone has a straight. Someone's better than you. Well, you're kind of forced to call. You have aces. What are you going to do? There's no pairs on the board. You have a flush draw. Well, river comes. It's a 5. Now you have 5-6. Someone might have a 7, 8, 9. Someone has a straight. Or you could have Jack 10, which is a straight from the beginning. So now you're kind of screwed. You're priced in. You might as well see what they have. They whoop you, Now let's rewind. Let's see what happens if you have one of our products. This is the black infrared sunglasses, black frame, plastic. This is the aviator metal frame, blue lens on the outside. Let's just take one of these infrared sunglasses and see what would happen if you had these on. So here's your aces. Oh, they're backwards. So here's your aces. Now I got some the lighting above me, so it's kind of hard to see because it's a bright light right above. But those are the aces. Now ace of spades means there are no symbols with the ace. So it's a spade if there's no symbol. It's a diamond. It's a diamond if there is a little diamond right there in the corner, top and bottom corner. So you look over and you see he's got Jack 10. The cross is a 10. So he has Jack 10 because you don't see a symbol. So Jack 10 suited spades. This guy over here, you look over, he's got 7 spades, 7 diamond. So he got pocket 7s. And he's got Jack 10. And you have aces. So you're sitting here with aces. Now, look at the burn card was a 4 of diamonds. Now you have, that's another advantage. Let me just say, you even see the burn card. So if someone's waiting for an out and you think someone has a diamond flush draw and you see a burn card as a diamond, well, now your odds are even higher that they're not going to hit a diamond. So just to let you know. So let's see. Now you have Queen 9-8. You already know that he has a straight flush, Jack 10. So 8-9, 10-jack queen, all spades. So you just saved a lot of money by just dumping your hand. You're done. Fold the aces. You can even flop them up and say, I know what you got. I can tell what you got, so I'm just going to fold. And then they'll be like, oh my God, that was the best fold I've ever seen. And this guy would be like, oh, I'm just going to go and keep on betting. So now you have 6, 7, 8, 9. He's like, oh man, I'm right there. Flush draw, straight draw. Now he hit a straight, so he thinks he's all good. He loses all his money to this guy, which turns up a straight flush. You just saved hundreds of dollars.